Factories can create fully aluminum space capsule houses in just 30 days with significant advantages. The houses are filled with XPS high-performance insulation material and upgraded TPE glass, making them resistant to corrosion, rust, and providing excellent insulation and soundproofing. After construction, the houses are transported in parts, greatly reducing shipping costs. The interiors are fully furnished with complete home appliances, bathrooms are separated into dry and wet areas, and all kinds of facilities are available, offering residents a new choice for convenient and comfortable living.